Hello and welcome to the PCSecurityChannel.com. Yes, we finally have an official website, and look at that, a Hall of Fame. Some of you asked me for a Hall of Shame, but I thought this would be a much better idea. We also have test results, FAQ, and I'll be adding a lot more features to the site. This is just a bare bones setup, but it is live now and you can visit it at the PCSecurityChannel.com. I'll put the link in the description so you can see it clearly. And I really want you to check it out and give me your feedback, because that's the whole point of the site. It should be useful to you, otherwise it's kind of pointless. Now let me give you some of the core objectives of this site. One of them is to standardize the test results. I figured a lot of people, as much as I hate to admit it, don't really want to watch 20 or 30 videos to choose a security product. Many of you just want results at a glance, and that's one of the objectives with the site. So we're going to have all the TPSC regular videos, and the test results are going to come over here so you can see the charts comparing different products. Right now I have the malware removal rate and the proactive detection, but we'll also add a section here for clean sheets, which should be live soon. I will also be adding a full page about the testing method, why I chose it, and probably a video on that too. You should see a lot of results flooding in here as we do more reviews. The FAQ section, this is where I answer the questions I get most often on YouTube that irritate me the most. So if you're about to ask one of these questions, please just check out the FAQ section. I've answered these for the 100th time. Where do you get malware samples? The answer's here. Which is the best overall AV solution? The answer's here too. I'm not going to spoil them. You have to visit the site to find out. But don't be surprised if you're a little disappointed. Coming back to the homepage, which I think is one of the main points of the website, this is going to be more like a storefront where you can directly buy products that have been performing well consistently in TPSC tests. They will be curated by me, and I will also try to get affiliate links to as many products as possible so that if you do decide to buy from the PC Security Channel website, it will give me a small kickback and you will also likely get a discount. I also want the system to be completely transparent. I'm not in any way liable or answerable to these companies in terms of the test results. The tests are completely independent, and it's rather the other way around. So if product does well in my test, it does that consistently, and then I think about getting an affiliate link to put over here. And if a product stops performing well, I can obviously just get rid of it and replace it with whichever product performs well. So don't worry, this is more of a reflection of the tests and not something that might affect the way tests are conducted. And with the whole YouTube adpocalypse, if you've noticed, I haven't really complained about that because I don't like complaining. It doesn't really fix anything. You just have to figure out alternative funding methods. And this is one that I'm trying out. And thank you to everyone who used my affiliate link for Bitdefender. Kind of inspired this idea. I think it's a great way to get funding, doesn't cost you anything extra. And for those of you who don't want to use Patreon for whatever reason, it gives you another way to support the channel, all while getting a great product at a good price. Win-win, right? I will also have VPN products here. Keep in mind, I've reviewed all of these 3 products. That's why they're here. I've used all of them. They're pretty good. I also have Hitman Pro, which is a second opinion scanner I use in almost every test. I've used it for years. These are all products I'm really confident about. If not, I wouldn't recommend them. Essentially, the idea is every great product may not be here, but no bad products will ever be here. Also, let me know what you think of the site's general design scheme. I think it looks alright. I think it looks pretty good. The navigation is pretty smooth, and it should be fairly easy for me to add any features. But again, the real focus of this website is to give you test results at a glance, kind of like AV test and AV comparatives, because they get quoted so much in the comments and even on my Discord server. I figured it would make sense to kind of present my results in that format so it's easier for people to talk about. Because every time you post like a 20-minute video, most people are going to skip it and nobody's really going to care for the results. Let me know how you feel about this idea, and more importantly, what you would like to see on the website. What would you consider useful? Because at the end of the day, whether or not this idea succeeds depends on how useful and nice you find it. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If this is something you really like, please share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the PC Security channel, and as always, stay informed, stay secure.